Welcome to the Gonzo Bug. I am Jose. Shelly's not here. She's going to her mom. Me and Shelly wanted to get something to use in the trailer when we're not in the mood to cook. Wanted to cook something pretty fast. So what I got was the Elite Gourmet 2-quart oil-free air fryer. It came in this carton here. It's only 2 quarts. It fits pretty nicely. Now I wanted to fit it, when I was done with it, I was going to fit it in the oven. It doesn't fit in the oven standing up. So we got a fryer, and what I'm going to do today is cook something on it, see if it's any good. And you should always test something before you go out, because it might not work. 2 quarts. You got this thing so that the air can get around it and underneath. And all you do is put your stuff in and close it. I think it goes up to 390. Let me see. No, it goes up to 400. And then you got your timer. You can put on. I'll put it at 8 for what I'm cooking it for, and then 400, and cool. It has a red light. Probably have to preheat a little bit, and it tells you if you're cooking anything. It has pictures: toast, French fries. I'm pretty much cooking frozen food, so it'll probably be with the French fry 15 to 22 minutes. So let's check it out. And I got this air fryer liner, 6.3 inch. So when we're out and about cooking, this will help you avoid a lot of mess. So all you gotta do is take this out, crumple it up, and throw it in the trash. So take this out. As you can see, it stops. As soon as you take the pan out, it automatically stops. I don't know if it's going to kick back in. And what I got here, I didn't have any French fries. I wanted some French fries, but I got a frozen Bratwurst and some chicken nuggets. Spread the chicken nuggets around. And it goes back in. Good, it started back up. That's cool. I didn't have to reset it. There's a vent in the back. I'm not sure how hot it gets, but you might not want to put it anywhere that's that something can maybe melt. I have this extension that I did, and it fits in there perfect. The only outlet I have is right here. If I wanted to cook here, I need a little an extension. So I am going to wait 8 minutes just to check it, and then I'll put it in for another 8 minutes or lower and see how my food comes out. Alright, I'm going to shut it off the camera and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Let's check out the food. I only have it in there for 8 minutes, so I know it's not done. Ooh. Let me just flip stuff around. I don't know if you can see it, but it's browning. Nice. Yeah. Back in there. I'm going to put it down a little bit. 350 timer. Is that minutes? Yeah. 8 minutes. Yep. Nice. And it looks like the liner is going to work pretty good because I'll just dump that right on the plate and throw the liner away and I'm good. Alright, just shut off. Let's check it out. Oh, looks good. Looks good. I think I'm going to need a little bit more, I think. Just a little bit. Not too much. There we go. 380 for 3 minutes. Let's see how it looks then. After that, we're going to grill down. Alright, got about a minute left. Got about a minute left and it should be done. Got my barbecue sauce. Where's my mustard at? Mustard. Cheese for the bratwurst. Got some bread out with some cheese. I'm just gonna make a bratwurst sandwich and barbecue sauce for sweet baby rays for the chicken nuggets. That's it. Gives you a little beep. That's all it gives you. 3 little beeps until you end it. Alright, look at that. Brown, cooked. Bratwurst out. Nice. Oops. It's hot, so you gotta be careful. And that's what's left. It's all in that little pouch bag right there. I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off. And once I cool off, take that, scratch it up, put it right in the trash, and just wipe around it. It should be clean. Should be good to go. Don't want to burn my. Just gotta keep that open. Need mustard for the bratwurst. That's it. Finger food. Yeah, I got my bratwurst and chicken nuggets. Alright, let me get some of this bratwurst in me. Oh, look at that. If you don't have hamburger buns or hot dog buns, it's okay. Just use regular bread like I do. Good stuff.
So that is really cool. How often do you see something
That's
like
very
that?
nice.
It's very practical. I love it. Now, I think you may be going live at different times today, so yeah, definitely. Now, John, let's look at this oven. Let's see the size. Could I fit a turkey in here? Yeah, you could. I could fit a small turkey and a roasted chicken. How about these cabinets here?
Oh, these drawers? They're 2 like that, and then there's 1 deep one, but it's not.
I didn't like the way that opened. Can you see this?
Oh, I didn't bring a soda in here.
Okay, look. Look.
I'll be right back.
Trading.
Forgot to grab a soda.
Look at
They
that.
don't say here for plugging in optional items.
Ooh.
No, we won't do it here next week.
Not at all.
Now, John, I do really like I'm sitting in this chair looking at this television. And you don't place
Oh my god, that's
I
good.
really do love
Let's
it.
check out these nuggets.
Really, really nice.
See how they taste.
Oh, Z says tap the bottom of the drawer.
Everything tastes good with sweet baby waves, though. Let's see.
Let's see. Oh my goodness! It's about, oh
That's good when you just don't feel like cooking. Maybe it's raining out, you don't want to cook here inside because of the grease or whatever. Get your air fryer out. You put some french fries in there. I got a bratwurst, hot dogs you can put in there. I'm not sure about a hamburger, but maybe they probably cook a hamburger too. So if you just want something quick to eat, we really don't eat a lot at one sitting. So french fries, 2 hot dogs, or 2 hamburgers, boom, we got something to eat. And this bratwurst is pretty good. I don't want to spill anything. That's good stuff. I think I might just take a nap right in here. I got the heat on. Got my fireplace on. The only Geo Pro with a fireplace built in. Why? Because it's Gonzo book. Oh my god, it's good. Coke Zero.
I can say, let's get old and watch the kids grow. Make our love from pure gold. Travel around the whole world singing. You and Jasmine and Sierra, the family I care. I'll spend the rest of my life singing. Always and forever by.
Oh, that was good. I can't believe I made a video of me cooking on the air fryer in the RV. And I'm going to take a nap in here. And without further ado, I'll see you on the other side.